Oh, can you go into the last one, please?
Which one?
The one you were just showing where it says "Dump Bollywood."
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, I thought it was pretty late, so I didn't want to cover that topic. Do you want me to cover it?
No, but it is true. You see so many movies and you think, well, life is
I thought
so
it was
hunky dory.
late, so I didn't want to like really get into that.
Ma'am,
So
we want
Well,
more.
that's true actually.
Ma'am, we want more.
The kind of
okay.
movies we see also, influence the way we think and how the world works, etc.
Yeah. Okay, yes. So yes, it was important. I'm so glad you saw it and you wanted to discuss. Okay. I'm so happy. Okay. So now what happens, Now we know what attachment is, what relationship and what can we do, what is an ideal situation. But the whole picture of expectation versus reality is very different. Okay, so your expectation is to have secure, be secure, and then give a lot of love, confidence, and then like pick each other up, and that's the kind of relationship that you want to do. Okay, but what happens here is we have this all of this Bollywood garbage that you have. Okay, all of this Bollywood garbage that they show that a person has like a mild syndrome of being a stalker, and that's being appreciated. Okay, and that you will think is normal because that's the normal behavior that you've seen. So it is a toxic nature, it is a red flag, and you appreciate because you went there, they made a movie about it, and then you loved it, and you think that's true love. Now, don't you think my view of true love is somewhere affected by the kind of movies that I've seen? Right, because I think that, oh, I've seen, she gets love and she finds true love and they have a happy ending. I'm also supposed to have that, and that's what we are taught about. And that's pretty much true. And the kind of movies, that Bollywood movies that are specifically there, my god, they are terrible. The DDLJ, and now Kabir Singh had come recently, and I know that this guy was very abusive. I've seen in the movie that he slaps and he's very avoidant, and one moment he's very loving, and second moment he's just like very rude, and he just goes away for so many years, and he himself is like a disorganized personality, and she believes that's true love, and they kind of like have a happy ending after so many years. Do you think if it happens in my true life, I would kick the person? Okay, I would say you're toxic, shut up and go away. I would do that. But it's Bollywood, it's shown, it's a movie, they have songs, they have good looking people, hot people, and it's just what it is.
There's
So
also
sometimes.
there's
It is
also the
movie.
other
It is
way.
movie.
There's also the other way where you have Bollywood movies where they're showing romance, a really good romance. Girl meets the boy, and it's just so wonderful, fairy tale, and they live happily ever after. And then you're expecting that from your relationship, and when you don't, you're thinking, well, why not? And then
Yes.
you start thinking it's my fault.
And then you also blame your partner that you're not
Yeah,
affectionate enough.
yeah,
Do
yeah,
you
yeah.
see that guy, how he was talking to her and how they were spending time, and they went to picnic, and they they did this, did that, they had good vacations, and you don't give me attention anymore. And then also, this, I just thought of it. Okay, so yes, I wanted to talk about this, that starting of a relationship is actually very different than 6 years later, because what happens is initially it is all about each other, it's all about connection. I want to know you, I want to know what you like, what's your favorite color, what is this, what is that, what can I do for you, do you want me to do this, do you want me to do that, should I buy this for you? And they get you flowers and they get you books, and I don't know what kind of conversations that you have. So you have all of that. And like fast forward to few years, that changes. Now it's a good thing that it changes, because ultimately you have to change. How much time can you do that, because you have other work also in life, but it has to be still nurturing. Okay, so you still have to develop, and it has to be still nice enough to have them around, to be your confidant, and then, to somebody to support you, somebody to guide you, and whenever you have a problem, you kind of like, rely on them. But it's not necessary that, every day you have to talk for 2 hours, and then, like discuss whatever the discussions that you used to have before, because, it's fine. You are just developing as you go in life, and, as your relationship goes, but it has to be a very secure one, not just, they don't care about you, they start insulting you in public, they start insulting you the way that you've changed, and, now you've become fat, you don't look the same way anymore, you don't talk to me anymore, and, you seem to see that, they go spend time out with their friends, and they are much more happy than they are with you right now. Okay, so that's not a very good behavior that you see. So they were not like this when you actually met, and that is something which is alarming. It's not necessarily that, that you don't spend time on me, and, they just buy you gift, and then you kind of like, get wooed. Okay, okay, that's all I want, and they love me. That self assurance part also comes. So, something that you need to understand, this is also a very big part in relationship. Second thing is, like I said, you have to get real with the relationship. And third thing is, don't, be serious about it. When you get into a relationship, be serious, because, you are spending a good amount of time. So they are the first person, so they are the first person in contact. If something is off with them, your life will go wrong. I've, whenever we used to whenever we in school, so if the teacher is behaving nicely, we know that their personal life is going well. Okay, and if they have like a grumpy mood, and I see my manager in a grumpy mood, I say, okay, kya hua? Wife is fighting or what? That's what we say, because that's the closest person that they have. So something is off with them will directly have an influence on you. So so, choose wisely, behave wisely, and treat people wisely same way. Relationship is an amazing topic. Actually, I always enjoy talking about, and attachment is something that I really enjoy. So that's my take on it. And I will see you guys tomorrow. We have closing tomorrow, and I'm open to questions. And officially, the session is done. So I hope you
Thank you.
learned, because it's a very important topic, and I think I tried making it as simple as possible so that you can understand and resonate in your life, and you can like follow through.
Okay. Thank you very much, Sonia. It's really good.
Pleasure.
I have to
Pleasure.
go. See you. Bye.
Sure. I'll see you. I'll see you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Gym closed for 2 months. Any
ഹലോ
questions?
ഹലോ എന്താ സായി നമസ്തേ
Hello?
കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ
Hello? Hello?
ഹലോ മാം
Yes?
ഹലോ മാം how to understand toxic people
Toxic people.
to stay away from relationship and something like that. You are
It's very
teaching on
easy to
relationship
understand toxic
management.
people. Something that doesn't nurture you, something that doesn't support you, something that you feel is draining something out of you, something that it is not healthy is toxic.
No positive things, no benefits.
Yes, it's not. No, actually, benefit is a very wrong word, because benefit means that you want something out of them. So,
Oh,
like, you have a relationship with me right now. Like, we have this small group, we talk. And if somebody was being mean to you, and somebody said something offensive to you, so you'll have to look back as to, how do you want to respond, and, if it's beneficial for you or not. Maybe you're just not open to critic. Okay, maybe you have the problem, maybe you are just too avoidant over it. So one, start looking at yourself. Second, if they're actually toxic to you, and that you think that they are draining your energy, it is better to stay out of it.
stay away from or stay out. Stay out of it means stay away from them. Okay.
Vishwesh, any question? You enjoyed the session? Any
Yes, ma'am.
questions
Enjoyed the
from
session.
Akshay?
Just one thing. You had mentioned those 90 red flags or something.
Yes, on my Instagram. So you can go check out my Instagram on SEARCHIN .paradise. So searching is my company, and it's actually not
Paradise.
searching, but
Ah,
IN. So you can go
okay.
check out. I have like a full list of, I don't know, I think some 90 plus red flags has to be there, I'm guessing, because I made a
Ah, yes,
lot of
yes.
them.
Yes, yes, I have followed you. I have followed you.
I
Okay.
actually saw. I
I
mean,
will check.
the Instagram. I just searched your name, and there were hundreds of Sonia Singhs out there. So
Ah,
No,
yes,
you
yes.
will not find it via Sonia Singh. It'll be
yeah,
difficult. Apparently, my name is very common.
yes.
Yeah,
Uh,
so you can check out on searchin.paradise. Varun, and then you have Akshay. Akshay, any questions? Varun, any questions? Sangeeta has left today. How was the session? You guys enjoyed it? It was nice. I didn't interact so much because I think you guys are not comfortable answering questions. So now I kind of got it. So I'm not asking so many questions in between. Otherwise, I would have made it like really interactive. Hello.
hello, hello, ma'am. Hello, hello, hello.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Okay, fine. I am satisfied with your answer. I was a little bit late for today's session. I have
Okay.
one class with that's why I was a little bit late. From 4:30 to 7:30 the session, but today they were a little bit late to 8 o'clock session was
Okay.
prolonged.